Dr. Heather Moore, owner of Total Performance Physical Therapy. Today we're going to go through a few things on how to be a faster runner. Most runners don't understand that in order to become a faster runner, you must work on hip extension, or this motion going backwards. Most runners think in order to become faster, you need to work on hip flexion, or running and taking a bigger step forward. In actuality, you have to work on taking a bigger step in the back. We're going to go through some stretches today and some strengthening exercises to show you how to do that. The first one is going to be a bridging exercise. This bridging exercise, what we're going to do is we're going to take the lumbar spine out of it. So normally in some of our other videos, you've seen us demonstrate bridging. That is a combination of hip extension and lumbar extension. For this particular exercise, we're going to take out the lumbar extension. So it's not a very big movement, but it's going to isolate the muscles you need to be able to extend your hip when you run. So you're going to start off just like a normal bridge. Go ahead and lay on your back. All you're going to do in order to vary it is to take a tennis ball, lacrosse ball, any ball. You want to bring your knee up to your chest and hold that ball into place. Holding that ball into place, you're going to then lift your butt off the ground and back down. The idea is that you keep the ball into place. If you need to put your hand here and bring your knee up to your chest in order to do that, that's okay. As you can see, it's a much smaller movement than if we were to take the ball out and have you do it and involve lumbar and hip extension. The key is having that knee stay glued to that chest with the ball. The next exercise that we do in order to increase your hip extension strength and how fast you can run is on all fours. So you're going to go onto your hands and knees. You're going to extend one leg out, and you're just going to lower it down and then kick it right back out. Nice and easy. You want to do 30 of these continuous. If this gets too easy, you can keep your legs straight out and then keep it straight and lower it to the ground and then lift it back up. You want to try and lift it as high as you can, but do not involve the low back. Just nice and easy. It should come at least level with the rest of your body. If you're finding you're kicking way up here, that means you're involving lumbar extension and you are running the risk of hurting yourself. The next exercise is a hip flexion stretch. So you can do this kneeling on the ground. All you're going to do is put one foot out in front and you're going to lean forward. Now, you want to lift your back up if you can. If you feel a stretch down in that position, then stay there. Ideally, you want to be up like this, leaning forward. You're going to feel a stretch all in through this muscle. The final stretch is what is considered one of the best stretches for running or many other activities. It is a complex stretch. You want to do it nice and slow. So what you're going to do is you're going to start in a runner's lunge position with your hands on the floor. All you're going to do is rotate the arm opposite of the leg up towards the sky and back down. And then you're going to come up, push yourself back into a hamstring stretch. So you're going to come all the way back onto your hips and you're going to stretch that front leg out as much as you can. Most of you won't be able to get into the full position because you will have tight hamstrings. Then you're going to take a step up, grab your leg, go into a hip stretch, and then you're going to bring that leg through and go back. Good, and then you're going to go into the runner stretch on the other side by taking one giant step forward and back down. And repeat each 6 times on each side. That's how you become a faster runner through hip extension.